Hi E4 business owners, this is Jackie Grant, We Grant Fitness and Health, and I transform driven female professionals' bodies and habits without giving up wine, restrictive dieting, calorie counting, or spending too much time in the gym. So I'm going to be with you on the 17th of July. I really want you to come along. It's going to be an amazing time. I'm going to remind you, take care of your body. It's the only place that you have to live. Yeah, it's a Jim Rohn quote. What have you done last week to take care of yourself? What did you do? Think about that. Well, I'm going to go through some key things that you can do to energize your body, keep it energized throughout the day. I'm going to give you a simple meditation. Well, it's a breathing technique, really, that is going to be able to slow you down and really focus on, when you're eating and honoring your hunger and honoring your fullness. Yeah. And also, I'm just going to, say to you, think about that work-life balance. Yeah, you really need to think about that. And then I have got a special surprise. Yeah, I have a special surprise. Yeah, someone, or maybe all of you, could take part in this little demonstration of a little bit of, you have to come to the meeting to find out. So I look forward to seeing you on the 17th of July. Hope I've got that date right. Yes, it is 17th of July at the E4 business meeting. Have a great day.